In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the TurboTax TaxCaster Calculator. If you want a quick estimate of whether you may get a tax refund or possibly owe money, this tool can help you get a helpful preview based on the information you enter. It's designed to be simple to use, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you how to move through it clearly and confidently. To get started, go to the TurboTax TaxCaster Calculator page in your web browser. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the calculator itself so you can begin entering your tax details. Next, click the button labeled Calculate My Refund. This will open the estimator and guide you into the first part of the process. The goal here is to enter some basic financial and tax information so the calculator can generate an estimate. After that, select your filing status. This is important because your tax estimate depends heavily on whether you file as single, married filing jointly, married filing separately, head of household, or another available option. Be sure to choose the status that matches your situation as accurately as possible. Then, enter your annual earned income. This usually means the income you earned during the year from working, such as wages or salary. Try to enter the most accurate estimate you have, because even small differences in income can affect the result the calculator gives you. Once your income is entered, fill in your federal tax withholding. If it applies to you, also enter your state tax withholding. These amounts are typically found on your pay records or year-end tax documents. The withholding information helps the calculator compare how much tax may already have been paid against what you may actually owe. When that's done, click Continue to move forward. The next section will ask you additional questions about your tax situation. Complete the remaining questions carefully. These may relate to things like dependents, deductions, credits, or other factors that can influence your final estimate. Take your time here, because the more accurate your answers are, the more useful your estimate will be. After you finish those questions, review the results shown by the calculator. You should see an estimated tax refund amount or an estimated amount owed. Keep in mind that this is only an estimate, not a final tax return, but it can still be very useful for planning ahead and avoiding surprises. And that's it. You've successfully used the TurboTax TaxCaster Calculator to get a quick tax estimate. Thanks for watching.